In the infinite dark sea of space, beyond the last whisper of sunlight, a lone traveler drifts through silence. It is neither a crude spacecraft nor a probe with any hope of returning home. It is Voyager 2, humanity's messenger, launched nearly 5 decades ago on a journey into the unknown. For years, scientists expected it to continue its silent voyage at the edge of the solar system, sending faint signals back to Earth until its voice finally faded into the cosmic background. But then something changed. Voyager 2 appeared to encounter something that should not have been there. For decades, its passage through interstellar space seemed uneventful. Particles, magnetic fields, endless darkness, endless silence. Then the silence broke. A disturbance emerged in the void, subtle at first, but impossible to ignore. It was repeating. Deliberate. Structured. When researchers began analyzing unusual anomalies hidden within Voyager 2's latest transmissions, a troubling pattern emerged. Beyond Neptune. Beyond Pluto. Beyond the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence weakens and interstellar space begins, something appeared to be interacting with the probe's environment. At first, engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory dismissed the anomaly as an instrument error or a plasma wave disturbance. But the pattern returned. Again and again. Each time more defined than before. This was not random noise. Something seemed to be responding. Then came an even stranger discovery. Approximately 500,000 kilometers from Voyager 2's projected path, tracking models suggested the presence of an unidentified object. It did not behave like a known asteroid, comet, or fragment of debris. Instead, it appeared to adjust its motion in subtle ways, remaining aligned with Voyager's trajectory as though it were observing rather than drifting. Scientists struggled to explain it. Soon afterward, Voyager's radio transmissions began displaying unusual embedded patterns, binary sequences arranged into spirals, recursive structures, and repeating mathematical forms. Independent analysts confirmed that these features did not originate from Voyager's onboard systems. Something had interfered with the signal. Voyager 2 had not merely traveled through space. It appeared to have been noticed. The mystery deepened when decades-old data from Voyager 1 was re-examined. Buried within archived transmissions, researchers found a nearly identical anomaly in the same region of space, an anomaly previously dismissed as background interference. Modern AI-assisted analysis revealed striking similarities between the two datasets. Whatever was producing the pattern may have been there all along. Waiting. Trajectory simulations only intensified the mystery. The unidentified object seemed to accelerate, slow, and alter direction in ways that did not fit conventional gravitational models. Yet Voyager's instruments recorded unusual electromagnetic fluctuations nearby, suggesting that the phenomenon was influencing its environment. Then came reports from Earth. Radio observatories in Chile, Australia, and South Africa independently detected faint echoes of the same distorted frequency hidden within Voyager's transmissions. The signal was not isolated. It appeared across vast distances, carrying the same unmistakable structure. Researchers gave it a name, the Phantom Pulse. Its timing aligned with Voyager's transmissions too precisely to be dismissed as coincidence. The implications were unsettling. Voyager 2 had spent nearly 50 years drifting farther from humanity with every passing second. Its signal had grown weaker, fading into the immense noise of the cosmos. Yet now, at the very moment human technology had become capable of detecting the faintest anomalies, something seemed to answer back. Was it chance? Or had something been waiting for us to become capable of noticing it? Behind closed doors, access to portions of the data became increasingly restricted. certain anomalies were reclassified. Independent researchers found themselves excluded from ongoing investigations. One question began to overshadow all others. Did Voyager 2 make first contact? Or did it awaken something that had already been watching? The implications are no longer distant. No longer theoretical. This is not a mystery unfolding in some faraway galaxy. This is the frontier just beyond our solar system. And if the signals are real, then something may be out there, observing, learning, responding. Voyager 2 was meant to be a messenger. Instead, it may have become a beacon. A trigger. A silent alarm echoing into the darkness between the stars. Now humanity is left with a single question. What have we awakened? Because if another signal arrives, and it could arrive at any moment, it may do more than change what we know about the universe. It may change humanity's place within it forever.